Okay, year 7, Bismillah, we're going to talk today about collecting like terms. And if I told you a like term, so we say that 2a and 3a are like terms, but 2a and 3a are not like terms. Think of as an apple. So 1 apple plus 1 apple equals 2 apple, but 1 apple plus 1 banana, still 1 apple plus 1 banana. Remember that's 1a equal, it's a itself equal 1a. So if I told you a plus 2a equals to 3a. Remember that the like terms must be the same unit. Okay. Exercise 2.3. Math expression in each rectangle to its correct symbol. Yeah. Expression giving in the whole. The first one has been done for you. A plus 4a. A plus 4a is 5a. And a plus a, number b, will be 2a. And 3a plus a will be 4a. A plus a equal to 3a. 5a plus 4a equal to 9a. 2a plus 2a plus 2a equal to 6a. So number B is B, C, B, I, D, I, I, E, I, F, I, B. Kindly write this in your copybook. Okay, number 2. Look at the statements. 3 of the statements are true. 3 of them are false. Write true or false each statement. If the statement is false, correct it. Okay, number A. B plus 2b equals 3b. It's true. And number B, 4d plus 2d is 5d. No, it's 6b. Number C, 6f plus 4f equals 11f. No, it's 10f. Number D, c plus c plus c equals to 3c. And it's true. H plus h. Number E, h plus 3h plus 5h equals 8h. And it's also true. No, it's 9h. So here is 9h. Number F, 7v plus 2v plus v is 10v, and it's also true. Question number 3. Each of these expressions simples to 3s over 5s. For each rectangle A to E, write down whether it's simplest 3s as I or 5s as II. So what we're going to do is writing I or II. For the first one, 9s minus 4s, so it is 5s II. 5s minus 2s, 3s, so 1i. 8s minus 5s is like 3s. 6s minus s, 5s. So, sorry, C is 1i and D is II. 10s minus 5s equal to 5s. So E equal II. Question number 4. Look at this statement. 3 of the statements are true, 3 of the statements are false. Write true or false of each statement. If the statement is false, write the correct one. I think it is like the previous one. You can solve it again. Number 5, look at these expressions. Some of the expressions can be simplified and some cannot be simplified. It's a very important lesson. Question here. If the expression can be simplified, write a tick. Okay, we are ready. If it cannot, we're going to write it wrong. We are all ready. Let's get started. For example, 5b plus b. Those are b, so it can be 6b plus 2. No, it has 2 terms. 2 different terms. 5n minus 2w. Also 2 different terms. So it cannot be simplified. 18 minus u. Wow, it can be. Okay. Pedro has strapped, checked, and spotted bricks. The length of a strapped brick is x, the length of checked is y, the length of spotted is z. Work out the total value. So if we have x, y, and z, so the first one will be 3x. So here is 3x. Number B, 2 spotted. The spotted is 2z. It's a very good exercise about like and unlike terms. It's checking you if you know if they are the same shape or they are not. Here we have strips and spotted. So x and y. We have 2 from the x and 1 from the y. So we have 2x plus 2y is different terms. 2 different terms. 2x plus y. Okay, I think it's easy to complete the next. Simplify each of the expressions. And 30 here is your homework. You can complete it easily. The challenge, don't forget that you have 5 stars for completing the challenge. I wish you enjoyed the live terms lesson.